Good morning to all of you. I am Atyara from class 8. Today I am going to tell about the maths chapter 22 introduced to coordinate geometry question number 5th. Whose chapter? Chapter 22. The chapter name is introduced to coordinate geometry. Whose exercise? Exercise 22A. Fifth question. So what is the question said? I can read and it tells you about. Plot each of the following numbers on a graph sheet. मीन्स एक ग्राफ शीट लेना है, उस पे जो नंबर्स दिए गए, इसमें कुछ नंबर दिए हैं, उन लोग को प्लॉट करना है, दिखाना है ग्राफ पेपर पे. सो वी हैव नो ग्राफ पेपर. आई कैन मेक अ ग्राफ पेपर लाइन, only 2 lines on my whiteboard. The line says L. L because the values are given in only positive value, no negative value. When the question said negative value, the figure is drawn plus. So the values are given. I can write it. First, ABC का 0 and ordinate 2. B, ABC का 0 and ordinate 3.5. C, ABC का 0 and ordinate 5. And last D, ABC का 0 ordinate 6. So we can write it. The values, we can make the tables. The point is 0 and we can measure, you can use the scale for measuring. So 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first of all, the value A 0, 2, मतलब जो एबीसी का 0 है और ऑर्डिनेट 2 है, तो यहाँ से एबीसी का लेते जाते हुए और यहाँ पे 2 है, इसी पॉइंट को बोलेंगे पॉइंट A. 0 and 2 means the एबीसी का is 0, the 0 is here and the 2 is up, means ordinate. The point is the point on where 2 is situated. The point is A 0 and 2, B 0 and 3.5. So 3 and between 3 and 4 the values are, this value are B 0.0 and 3.5, means ABC का 0 ordinate 3.5. C 0 and 5, the same values, sorry not same values but same as the questions given. C 0 and 5 and D is 0 and 6. 0 and 6, this point. So you can write here from the whiteboard. After that the values are given or. So E, F, G and H. The value of E is 1 and 3. Sorry. The value of E is epsilon 1 and ordinate 3. The value of F is epsilon 1 and ordinate 5. Value of G is epsilon and ordinate are same. The value is 3. And the value of H is 3 and 5. So how can we show show that, means plot the values. First of all, abscissa is E. E value, the abscissa is 1. So this is the 1 and ordinate is 3. We can up and meet in 3. And the point is made, this point is called E. 1 and 3. Second value, F. Abscissa 1 and ordinate 5. So the 1 values go up and meet in 5. The point is F. 1 and 5. After that, G, the values are same. Abscissa 3 and ordinate are also 3. So up, line are mismatch. This is a G, 3 and 3. The last value is 3 and 5. So we can up the value 3 and meet in point, and the point is H. Abscissa 3 and ordinate 5. So this method is used to plotting. I hope you can understand from this plotting. How can we explain that? First of all, we can see which number is abscissa. The abscissa is 1, 0, another. And second value is ordinate. I can tell you this is ordinate and this is abscissa. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.